Hey guys, today we have another unboxing. Try to do a little bit of a review for you. This is a Shiro Kamo SG2 R2 180 millimeter Bunka. This has a custom handle by Pie Cutlery. Well, they double wrapped it. Well, they really wrapped it. Haha. What? Oh. So this handle is called the Yellow Ranger. You guys can see that. It's by Pie Cutlery. So it says Kamo SG2 Damascus Bunka. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so are we ready for this? Oh. Wow. Like I'm obviously seeing it when you're, that is crazy. It's a 3 millimeter spine. That is really crazy. Can you guys check that out? You notice I got the best tester all set up for you. Literally out of the box. Like the logo's nice. Okay. Wow. I mean, I'm checking it out right now. It's clean. That is clean. The spacing. Can you see that? Can you see this? That might be the best I've ever seen. It weighs, man, it is solid. That is beautiful. Holy mackerel. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's see what we got. Out of the box. $118. I mean, 118 is, you know, definitely. I think it ties the Takeda out of the box. Since I've had the bad, well, not all of my knives have been tested on that, but out of the box sharpness, 118 is I think the lowest we've seen out of the box. I know that I did so many passes with just some leather and got the Takeda, the Honsuki down to 50, just doing some passes. So the handle size, you know, it's an octagonal. It's not a D shape. Really enjoying the handles by Pie Cutlery. I'm going to be having some more custom handles coming in. I definitely want to order something from Dustin. I want to order something from my friend Carl. So and I don't know how to exchange handles, so I'll have to learn for the channel. But anyway, absolutely beautiful work. Let's, I'm like, do I have a tomato? Do I have anything? I don't know if we can slice a blueberry at 118. Let's check it out. Feels amazing. Feels amazing. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So 118 will definitely slice some blueberries. Absolutely beautiful knife. For those of you who don't know, the SG2 R2 steel, it is in the stainless family. It doesn't mean it won't stain, it means it stains less. This is powdered steel, and what that means is they take all the components that they use to make, they take all the elements, they freeze them with liquid nitrogen, and they press them into a sheet. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't really know how you do it with Damascus. I don't know if that's, I'll have to do more research. I don't know if that's like, I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. So, I'm gonna clean this knife and keep it looking amazing. I appreciate you guys checking out this particular unboxing. I hope it was entertaining. We'll definitely have some knife comparisons and reviews shortly. I'll tell you what, while I have you on, let's do a quick comparison. We will go to the Kurosaka. This is a super blue Tashimi Korichi finish, carbon steel. This is 170 millimeter. So you can see it just is shorter. I think that there's a little bit more belly to this knife. You can see that's a little bit more rounded. I think depth wise. Yeah, this one's it's just a little bit more shallow. That's always been, you guys have seen me use this video. So definitely excited to have another Bunka. I'm a big fan of the K-tip. The handle's a little shorter on the bigger knife. There you go. So thank you guys for joining. We will be getting some work in with this and give you a little review on it later. Wow, I mean, Damascus and it's a custom handle, K-tip. Kamo was not a blacksmith that I've had. Super excited. Okay, guys, so thank you. Obviously, this was never a dull moment in this house. We're wishing you never a dull moment. Thanks for joining us. God bless, man.